Now I know this is what most of you have been most interested in, waiting for to come out on the Mardi Gras. This is Bolt, the first ever roller coaster at sea. It's a Harr roller coaster, a spike model, if you will, that uses the pinion system to go ahead and propel. But what I love about this, it's 100 horsepower, actually has twice the pickup speed. So it goes twice as fast acceleration as a Porsche 911. Goes all the way around the top of the ship. It's an absolute blast, and I know that you're gonna love checking it out. Now it is an additional cost, but being on a roller coaster on the ocean, I think it's worth it. Let's do it. So you do need to pre-reserve in the Carnival Hub app, and then when you do, you just come check on in and then head right on up the stairs to enjoy. Been waiting for this for a really long time. Nearly 800-foot long track. You control the power, so you can go as fast as it can go, or you can slow it down a little bit. It's really up to you. You're nearly 200 feet above the water. Let's check it out. So that was an absolute blast. As soon as you take off, you really get going quick. Like I said, double the acceleration of a Porsche 911. I love that you go, and in the very back, you have an upward helix loop, and then you continue along all the way up and around. You got a little boost button, so you hit that, you can go even faster. But for me, that was something completely unexpected on a cruise ship, a really nice addition to the entire fleet, and I love the fact that they have this on board the Mardi Gras, and I see more of it in the future.